Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm back because it's moving time, like for real. Like it's been moving time for a year, but this time it's like we need to pack stuff. And I have a shitload of stuff to go through. Not because I'm a hoarder, but because I'm a keeper. So I just wanted to go around the house and show you the stuff that I'm taking, stuff that I'm not taking, and what's still left to do because I haven't been through everything. Luckily, I had a good friend who's been helping. She's been helping a lot. Yesterday, we went through all my wardrobe, all my clothes. I didn't throw any clothes away, but I have to decide what I'm keeping to take with me to the States. I have to decide what I'm taking with me, like what I'm keeping with me, and what I'm sending to the States. Because FYI, my husband is going TDY this summer, and we're not going to be in our next place until October, because I forgot to mention he's military. So yeah, if you've been on this channel, or if you've been following me on my regular channel, you've seen my room before. Like, you've seen my collections and what's like, because I have a bunch of collections. Also, maybe, you know, if you've seen like previous vlogs, maybe I think I've mentioned I do not sleep in my bedroom anymore, like my bedroom from when I was a teenager. I sleep in a room upstairs with my husband. We are at my parents' house. I feel like there's a lot to say, but whatever. So I'm just gonna show you the state of my room right now. I'm not proud of it, but it's whatever. I won't show you the upstairs. It's stupid. There's nothing there. Just like a TV, a bed, and my husband's stuff. And I'll show you what I've been working on today. So this is my room when I was a teenager, I guess, like where I used to sleep, like where I've slept for the past 10 years. And this is my wardrobe with the door open. And this is a bookshelf. So my clothes, I've been through everything. Above is, like right here, is pajamas. And I have another one that's in the bathroom. Here, it's more like chill clothes and yoga pants and like sweats. Underneath is anything can be like t-shirts, loose t-shirts that can be workout t-shirts, walk around the house t-shirts, sports bra, hoodies with zippers, and back there are shorts. Underneath I have socks and workout yoga pants or leggings, a pair of jeans. I only have 2 pair of jeans that I like. I need to buy a new one. Here I have jackets. I have one with no sleeve, a jeans jacket, a jacket like this, like a leather jacket. I have dresses, a couple sweaters, and a nicer t-shirt, I guess. I mean, does it look like much for me to take in 2 suitcases? I don't know. I still have to go through all this. This is pretty much boxes, like hand sanitizer holders. I have my birthday present from 2 years ago. I have a few things to go through over there. Above, I have 3 boxes. One that has Audrey Hepburn stuff, Givenchy stuff, and magazines. Then I have Justin Bieber stuff. For Justin Bieber, I haven't been through anything. I have all this to go through. But I kind of put that last on my list. Then you've seen my bed. It's a mess. It's a melting pot of everything. There's wedding stuff in there. There's Disney stuff. There's vacation stuff. There's a bunch of stuff. And then we have on the ground, we have my suitcase. Actually, my carry-on right here and my regular. I need another one. And then I have like wedding stuff, bags of like Disney and souvenirs, things that I have never been through. And then I have a bunch of things I just have to sort out and put away. Here I have like winter candles and fall candles, but I'm pretty sure they're almost empty. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna take you to the room where I actually put, oh, and maybe I should, this is like things that need to be hung. I'm not taking with me. There's my wedding dress in that long bag. There's winter coats slash heavier jackets, things I won't wear this summer, and I probably won't need in Texas anyway, because I don't know if I mentioned this, but that's where we're going. And there's my husband's jackets. And this is the room where we store everything so the movers can pack. This is the clothes, like those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags are clothes that are more winter-like, or that I don't need for the summer, or I don't think that I can pack. This back there is a bed that was given by a friend, and those white tubes are the frame of my wedding arch. Then like here, this coffee machine is going. This I haven't been through, I don't think. This is my rack for nail polishes. This is an empty wardrobe that I can just put stuff in. My mom still has to take a few things out, but it's pretty much storage. I'm not taking this wardrobe. I have this IKEA thing that's not coming with me either. And those wardrobes here, they're full of some of my stuff I've already put. What's above is not coming with me. That's not even mine. I have the box for my iMac, and I have my Doctor Who trash. And here you can see I've already put a few things. There's books and DVDs and CDs and things. There's my Harry Potter Wizard collection. There's a few things that were given at the wedding. This black box is full of nail polishes, and the box above has nail stuff. I would show you what's in there in this one, but like we're not there yet. I also have those 2 giant boxes. One has 2 sets of Christmas lights, and it's not full, and the other one is full of coffee mugs. I also have this set of 2 Christmas trees. One is filled with coffee mugs, like to the max. One question for people that have moved through the military: do they actually pack everything, like every single thing? Because I'll show you for my makeup. Let's go into the living room. There's some makeup that I'm not taking with me. I do not know if they're gonna pack everything individually. Like I have nail polishes here, but I have way more already packed aside, and I don't know if they're gonna pack them individually or if I should do that myself, because I'm worried they're gonna break through. So here I have this quite big box that's filled with makeup, but that's all makeup I'm not keeping during the summer. That's going to Texas. So this box here is going to Texas. This is going to Texas. This is going to Texas. I'm keeping those empty boxes because they could be good for collages and things like that. Like I love like craft things. But anyway, I have empty boxes that I can use to put other stuff in. I have this big box that's filled with samples, or like deluxe samples I got from hotels. This is also an empty box that I'm keeping to put other things in. This is like a box where I'm gonna put hair accessories. This is going to Texas. I have this bag that's full of empty Lush products. This is probably going to Texas. I haven't made up my mind yet. Then I have a bag, like couple bags. My Sigma brushes, that's staying with me. This sponge is staying with me or going to the trash. This little container thing is going to Texas. The bows I'm gonna pack into something else, because I'm gonna try to keep a box of like little things like that. So yeah, again for crafting. Then I have like, this is from a hotel that my husband brought. This is a bunch of stuff that I still have to go through. This is the trash bag that we filled up today with my friend. It's just trash. It's beauty products and whatnot. Then in this thing, those are the things I'm keeping for the summer. and will most likely come with me to Texas. On top you have makeup. This is all the makeup I'm going to keep. This is all the body slash maybe face products. That I'm gonna keep with me here for the summer. Most likely going to take to Texas. And here are hair products. The same story. Then you still have my desk here. This mirror is going to Texas. A lot of stuff on here going to Texas. And this is my iMac. It's covered with scarf. My mom does that because right in front of it there's a window and we don't want anybody to see like from the street the iMac and steal it. The desk, like this thing exactly, this is staying because it's quite scratched. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so this is staying for my mom, she can use it. But this Alex drawer is coming with me even though it's a little dirty. And I still have like a bunch of either souvenir things from trips or office supplies. Like this is office supplies, this was from the wedding. Notebooks and stuff. This is just like most, like besides printing paper because A4 is not a thing in America. And yeah, besides this drawer, this is not going to Texas, but yeah, whew, I'm running out of breath almost. All right, we're almost done. Okay, I have this table. This is stuff from New York. I was in New York last month, and this is a bunch of, not junk, but things I've brought back from Texas, and it's still sitting, from New York, and it's still sitting on the table. Obviously, this bear is staying with me. I have my Louis Vuitton shoebox, which when I settle down in Texas, I plan to film videos on my experiences shopping at those stores. Have Tiffany stuff, David's tea, but yeah, let's move on. You'll see this in future vlogs. Here we have our wedding souvenirs. They are coming with me. Disney souvenir here and my snow globe, my Disneyland Paris snow globe. Then I have a few more things over here. This is like a wedding souvenir thing that I've made. The flowers are actually sugar flowers and they were on our cake and I gathered them. This is the top layer of the cake and there's like mini us. So this little house right there, people could put their cards or their notes or whatever at the wedding, and now I kind of did that. So for those flowers, they're made out of sugar and I kind of stacked them on top of each other, but I have a hard time figuring out how I'm gonna be able to ship them to Texas because they're very fragile and I'm not sure. I've seen online that people ship them using toilet paper, like they wrap it in toilet paper. And I'm wondering if I could use maybe this box and like put things inside of toilet paper and then put them in this box. I don't know. This little thing right here belongs to my best friend / maid of honor. I have to give it back to her. And I have one last thing here that was a present recently from my parents, and it's a wine bottle opener. This is the greatest thing on earth, and if you ever see one, you need to get that because this is the best wine opener ever. So I think we've been through everything when it comes to my moving situation. And the thing is, I have a lot of small things that I'm scared will be scratched or broken, even though they seem like they're not important things. They are important things to me. And I would bubble wrap absolutely everything if I could. This is a situation right now, and I have like 20 days to do it all. And I know it can seem like a lot, but I'm very overwhelmed. This is the first time I move on my own. I've moved before. My mom took care of everything because I was being a grumpy little brat and I didn't want to move, so she had to handle everything. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on like this stack that you've seen of beauty products, and I have to put them in that room, in this room that was like behind over there, the office. Have to move forward. Can't really stop right now. So maybe you guys want to hang out for a little bit and I can show you. You can like move with me, I guess.